In one superpower, the USSR, local military conflicts were considered to be the fights for a better future and emancipation. And in the other, the USA, they were seen as the struggle for democracy and freedom. Hot spots. They occurred in so many places of the world. But an open antagonism between the two giants didn't happen. Both of them used third countries as pawns in a political game, applied their resources and industries, made their territory a battlefield between the two military machines. The Cold War resulted in destroyed countries, political conflicts, and millions of dead people in all corners of the world.